In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt-like chart in Notion. If you're managing projects using Notion, the Gantt chart is a powerful tool to visually plan out all your tasks over time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear timeline showing the start and end dates for each task in your project. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Notion page where you would like to create this Gantt chart. Once you're on your desired page, you'll need to introduce the Mermaid tool, which is a language used to generate diagrams from text, including Gantt charts. In your Notion page, type in the / symbol followed by the word mermaid. Notion offers a variety of commands with the /, so this will help you access the diagram feature you need. Next, after you've typed in /mermaid, you'll want to click on the option that says Code Mermaid. This will open up a new space where you can start to input the code for your Gantt chart. It might look a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step. You'll start by typing in the word Gantt to tell the system you're creating a Gantt chart. Right after that, we need to establish a title for the chart. This helps in keeping our work organized and provides clarity at a glance. To do this, type title, followed by the name of your project in quotation marks. For demonstration purposes, let's call it My Project. After establishing the title, it's important to define the date format you'll be using. Gantt charts typically require precise dates to correctly map out the timeline. You'll want to type in date format and then specify the format as YYYYMMDD. This standard format helps avoid any confusion when reading dates between different regions and makes sure everyone understands the timing the same way. Next comes the fun part, where you define the tasks. Enter the word section followed by the name of your section, in this case, tasks. This simply segments off the area of your chart where you'll be listing out your individual tasks. Then start listing your tasks. Begin with the task name followed by a colon. For instance, for task A, after the colon, add the start date in the established format. Let's set task A to start on 2026-06-01. After the date, add a comma, a space, and then specify the duration with a D to denote days. So if task A spans 3 days, you'll type 3D. Follow the same pattern for any other tasks you have. For task B, set a start date of 2026-06-04 and it will span 5 days, so you'll enter it as 5D. Once all your tasks are entered, review them for accuracy and you're all set. Now, you have a Gantt-like chart embedded within your Notion page, a straightforward representation of project timelines, making it easier to manage and track progress. That's how you create a Gantt-like chart in Notion. Feel free to customize it with more tasks, projects, or even different date formats to meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and keep optimizing your productivity with Notion.